Did I say that out loud? Okay. So, we're going to do a little bit of an immune balance on you. Yes, we are. Little baby Teddy, little daddy Blaise. Okay, so for baby Teddy we're after. So overall, so minus any supplements, minus any medications. So let's see what you're doing, little man. Okay, so we're going to use some of the immune points. Right, hold. Okay.
Is this me or him?
No, this is him. So I've already got it stacked in that we're his energy.
Okay.
So we've got all the supplements offline.
All right.
So we've been doing probiotics, magnesium, N-acetylcysteine. So all of that's been boosting his immunity. But without it, his immunity is struggling, no surprise. How long's he been in daycare now? Is it about a month?
Yeah, how long's Sarah been working?
Yeah. Maybe 6 weeks or so?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. So being around kids, of course, there's lots of new bugs every day your body has to deal with. Yes, there is. And again, hold. 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 It's okay, little man. I'll sit you up. Is that better?
Yes, 1,000,000 times better.
Okay, so now we're going to check in relation to bacteria and bacterial particles. Yes, we are. So the bacterial particles, hold, as we're killing off the bacteria, those particles can continue to make us make mucus. No, that's not showing up. That's all good. That's all good. And let's check viruses. And we'll check viruses first. Are you ready? And hold. 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 Yeah, good boy. Hold. Hold. And let's check viral particles. And hold. Good boy. Hold. Hold. You chewing that. You chewing that little cutie pie. Okay, so the next one we're going to check. We're going to ask about your optimal temperature for health. And hold. So you and Sarah haven't found he's had a temperature? Hold.
No.
This one's unlocking. Okay. So without the supplements, I'll do it on you. Yes, I will. Without the supplements, his body doesn't know what the perfect temperature is. Yes, we will. So maybe his homeostasis is a little out of whack, so he's having a hard time getting back into balance. Because he needs fever to boost the white blood cells. But we need it to be the perfect amount so he doesn't get sick. He's not getting fevers in the middle of the night?
You know what? I'm not sure.
Okay.
Sometimes he wakes up,
Yep.
you feed him, and he goes back to sleep.
Yeah, right. Okay.
I mean...
Okay. Okay. So maybe you want a little bit more food. But there's... Okay, so that's in relation to the optimal temperatures. Let me just check. Oh, yeah, little munchkin. You need to go back to sleep. It's been a big day. It's been a big day. Yes, it has been. Yes, it has. Okay, looks like you want something else to eat. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. Turn this little one off.